In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a delayed delivery for your emails in Outlook, a feature that can be incredibly useful for managing your communication more efficiently. You might want to delay an email for a variety of reasons, such as coordinating with different time zones, or simply wanting to double check your message before it lands in someone's inbox. So let's take a step-by-step look at how you can use this feature to improve your email management. First, you need to head over to Outlook to log into your account. If you're using Microsoft 365, open your browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Make sure you have your credentials at hand. You'll want to keep them secure, so ensure that your password is confidential and protected to prevent unauthorized access. Once you've made it to the login page, look for the sign in button. It should be easy to spot, usually positioned prominently on the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might be asked for that extra code. It's a good step for maintaining the security of your account, especially if you're accessing it from a public or shared device. After successfully logging in, direct yourself to the mail section, which is the heart of Outlook. This is where you'll probably spend most of your time. This section will allow you to compose, read, and manage your emails. Once you're in your mailbox, it's time to create a new message. Locate the new message button, usually found as a plus icon or labeled plainly, and click on it to open a fresh email draft. Now let's compose your message. As always, be mindful of the subject line. It should be precise and convey the essence of your email. Draft your message body as you normally would and make sure to add any recipients you want to send the email to. But here comes the clever part, you won't be sending it just yet. As you work on your email, observe the send button. This is an essential part of the delayed delivery process. You might notice there's a small downward arrow right next to it. This arrow is what will allow you to unlock the scheduling feature. Click on this downward arrow and you'll uncover more sending options. In these options you should see something labeled Schedule Send. Click on it. This feature provides you the opportunity to decide exactly when your email will leave your outbox and arrive in the recipient's inbox. A scheduling window will open, likely presenting you with a calendar or a simple date and time selector. Carefully select the date and time you want your email to be sent. This can be as soon as a few hours from now or at any specific point in the future. This is particularly useful if you're collaborating with people in different time zones and want your email to be seen at a convenient time for them. Keep in mind that the scheduled send option is reliant on your system being online at the time you've set for sending or on Outlook servers processing your request. Make sure to verify your settings. If this is an important scheduling function for a time-sensitive email, this assures you that it will go out as planned. Once you've set your desired sending time, take a moment to review your email for any final edits. Ensure that all the necessary information is correct and reflects what you want to communicate. It never hurts to give your email a once-over to catch any potential errors before it gets sent. If everything is in order, confirm your schedule by clicking whatever button signifies done or confirm. Like that, your email is scheduled and you can rest easy knowing that Outlook will take care of the delivery when the time is right. That wraps up our guide on using Outlook's delay delivery feature. It's a simple tool that can save you a lot of hassle and improve your email effectiveness. Whether you're catching up on emails late at night and want them to go out first thing in the morning, or you're managing a team across different time zones, this feature ensures your communication is timely and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your digital life smarter.